In this quick tutorial on PMN Online, you will learn how to get email notifications for file activity in Google Drive, step by step. Imagine you're juggling multiple documents or collaborating with others on a shared project. Keeping track of every change, comment, or request can be overwhelming. That's where email notifications come in handy, keeping you informed and on top of your Google Drive activities. Today, we're going to explore how to set up these notifications easily, so you never miss an important update. Let's kick things off by looking at how you can configure notifications using the web version of Google Drive. This is a convenient way to ensure you're always in the loop. First, open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, as this will grant you access to all the settings we'll be discussing. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot a small gear icon, often overlooked but crucial for accessing your settings. Click on this gear icon to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this menu. Within the Settings panel, you'll encounter several options, but our focus will be on Notifications. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of notification types that you can enable. These include updates when a new file or folder is shared with you, alerts for when someone mentions you in a comment or action item, and notifications for access requests to your files. Choose the notifications that align with your priorities by checking the corresponding boxes. Don't forget to save your settings to ensure your choices take effect. Now, let's shift our focus to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for those who work extensively within these apps. If you want to keep track of comments or edits, here's what you need to do. Open the specific document for which you want to receive notifications. Navigate to the top menu and click on Tools. A drop-down menu will appear, guiding you to Notification Settings. Click on it, and you'll have the flexibility to choose your preferences. You can opt to receive notifications for all comments or just for comments directed at you. If you prefer not to be disturbed, select None. Specifically, for Google Docs, there's an extra feature. You have the option to receive notifications about added or removed content. This can be particularly useful if you're managing a document where content changes frequently. You can also turn off these notifications by selecting None for edits, allowing you to customize your settings according to your specific needs. So, whether you're managing a team project or simply keeping your own files organized, these steps will help you efficiently manage your Google Drive notifications. Stay informed about the latest updates and interactions with ease. And that wraps it up. If how to get email notifications for file activity in Google Drive feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online, because plenty more guides are on the way.